Yo, what is up guys? I like gaming's D back with another video, and today guys, I have another video for you. So today guys, I'm going to show how you can create a YouTube channel and pretty much grow very fast. So the things I'll be talking here, I will have like 5 steps where they will show you step by step on how you can create a YouTube channel and like grow quickly. So let's get to the point. So the first step of this video would be your channel. So once you created your YouTube channel, you want to make a good logo and a good banner. So the best programs to create a good logo and a banner are like Photoshop and like Pico. That's what I use to do my own banner and logo. So once you have created a good logo or banner, and I'm not saying that my logo or banner are the best, but you get the point. You gotta have something good so when people go, they see that premium channel of yours. So the next step is on the videos, and the next step will have like thumbnails. So pretty much on thumbnails, what do you want to do on thumbnails? So the first thing you want to do is have high quality thumbnails and that they match your banner and logo, because you don't want to have like you're using like a, let's say, green layout, or let's say blue, and like you're using like red, which like doesn't look that good. So you want to pretty much, if you're using a blue layout, you should use like a blue thumbnails and shit. So yeah, so once you do that, let's go to like the third step, is the quality of the video. So you gotta have at least 720p, which is the HD format for your YouTube video, because no one is going to watch a video that's 360p. No one is going to do that, because the quality is horrible. So yeah, so the other thing is to have like a good mic. You don't want to have your mic to do like a lot of or something like that. And the other thing is to talk clearly. So I'm not saying that I talk clearly most of the times, but yeah, you get my point. So the fourth step for this video is to actually have a good title, a good compelling title, so people click on it, not just have like any title. So how to get a good title, if you don't know, well, think of a part of your video and like how it will look on your title or something like that. Or the next thing is just the point of your video. So that's how you pretty much do a title. So the other thing is having a good description. So you don't want to have like a short description like please subscribe and peace out or something like that. You want not even like a too long description, but you want to have like a good like medium sized description where you have like links of your other videos, maybe a link that shows them how to subscribe on your channel, and like what should the next video be, something like that, and like putting just some keywords so you rank higher on the YouTube search engine. So the other thing to have on the description is to space out everything, not have it like together, and like to be good organized too, so you know when they see it they pretty much read it all. So they don't want to see it like a bulky description, you know what I'm talking about. So the other thing is having tags. So the most important part of creating your YouTube video is your tags. If you want to have and get like a lot of views and subscribers, people that are going to watch your video, so if you want to have like an audience, you should put tags. Like most of you like put 2 tags, and like that's why you don't get like views. So the main or major thing to get views on YouTube is tags. Not just any tags, you gotta have good tags. So the best way to get tags is on the YouTube search engine. So what do you want to do on the YouTube search engine? There are 2. So once you have your tags, the other thing you want to do is to actually have some long tags, like full sentence, not just words or let's say keywords, but having some genuine content. What I mean by that is having some tags that really show up your video. So once you do that, you're done with this step. But the other thing you want to do to the title is you can also put tags in the title, which I recommend doing it because it gets you more keywords, which means more people are going to find your video. So this is a very key and important step into actually accomplishing this tag step. So once you have accomplished your tag step, you wanna do daily videos. So what I mean by daily videos is uploading daily. Some of you can upload daily because of your daily tasks or what you need to do, maybe school, work, I don't know. But once you have the key of making daily content, that's when you're going to grow. I'm not uploading daily, that's why I'm not growing very fast. I may be doing once a month, once 2 weeks. That's why this channel is like at 400 subs instead of being at 2,000, 3,000. So I mean, if you follow all the steps correctly, you're going to get a lot of subscribers. I'm saying like 3,000, 2,000 and more, but you gotta do it daily. So the other thing is, this is a bonus step, but if you want, you can do this. So I mean, staying on trending. So what I mean by that, so uploading videos that are trending, like let's say a game that's trending. For now we have Fortnite, so doing Fortnite related content will drive up more viewers to your channel and more people are going to end up subscribing. And once you do that, you're pretty much set up for YouTube. So like let's say you're doing like a Fortnite, let's say a showcase case of like a new skin or something. Like not many people view that, but when you do like complete updates, that's when people are going to watch your videos. So it's not just doing specific things about the thing that you're doing. So doing like more things, like just doing, instead of doing a showcase of a specific skin, doing something like a full update review or something like that on like what's new on Fortnite. That's what's going to drive more views on your channel. So the other thing is stay daily, what I said. So pretty much, and you gotta have like a time period to upload. Like let's say you get from work to like at 6 p.m. and like you make a YouTube video at 7 p.m. and you upload it to like 8 or 9 p.m. So you gotta have like something like a schedule to actually get more views. So the other thing I want to say is, this is another bonus tip, is to always stay original. Like don't copy other YouTubers, because people are going to hate you and shit. So don't do it. So the other thing is to pretty much have an intro and outro when you're starting. So the first people that subscribe to your channel see that you're more professional and more premium looking. So pretty much make your channel look better and like stand out more from the others. So the other thing is, once you grow up on your channel, have like 100 subscribers, get good ideas, like be more genuine, and like yeah. So having music on your video on the background is a good thing to do too. So this is another bonus tip, and that's all. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash a big like. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button 3 times. So 1 time to subscribe, to unsubscribe, and subscribe again. No, just hit it 1. So once you do that, turn on the notifications, and that will help me a lot. So peace out, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you, and if you did, peace.